In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Microsoft Store not downloading apps. Now first, what we want to try is come down here and search for run. In here, search for temp, T-E-M-P, open up and delete everything you have in here. Now if I try and delete everything and this pops up, just press do this for all current and press skip. Do it again and skip. Now there'll be a few files left and that's okay. Then what we want to do is come down here, search for run again, percentage temp percentage, and do the exact same. So delete, skip, again, skip. There we go. Then clear your recycle bin to make sure they're deleted. And while this is doing, what we can do is we can come down here. Now in here, we want to search for run. Again, type in wsreset.exe. What this is going to do is it's going to reset our Microsoft Store, just like this. Then you want to wait a little bit for it to load until everything pops back up like this. Then another thing we can try is you can search down here for PowerShell, right click on it and run as an administrator. Now once you have this open, you're going to copy this. I'm going to put it in the description. I'm going to put this in. Press enter. What this will do is it's going to reset your Microsoft Store once again. So once that is done, you can close it. And then another thing we can try is come down here and see if we have a Windows update. I have one right now, which I can install, and you should also do it if you need the update. Now the last thing that you can try is you can come down here and search for apps and features. Press on system components. On Windows 11, it might be down here, but just system components. In here, you want to find the Microsoft Store, advanced options, and from in here, press repair and reset. Try both of those and see if it fixes your issue. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.